Hey everyone, I hope you all are being safe, staying in your homes, and maybe even using some of this spare time to get a little creative. I know that's what I'm trying to do. I thought with the surge in video conferencing these days and maybe the spare time you might have, I'd put together a short video on some tips on how you can make your videos less distracting and more engaging so people can focus on you and your beautiful face. The top 2 tips for a successful video is good lighting and audio. Seems obvious, right? Well, I can't tell you how many times I get on FaceTime with my mom so she can chat with her grandson and he can't even see her face because she's sitting up against her panoramic ocean view window. As beautiful as that scenery is, Mom, when I'm talking to you, I want to actually see your face. So flip that computer around and simply have the light shining towards your face and not behind your head. That might mean a bit of reorientation in your home office, or if you're using a laptop or phone, it should be pretty simple. If you don't have a natural light source, try to place a lamp in front of you or use your regular overhead lighting. Either way, it'll make a world of difference. Oh, and if you're on a laptop and it's not sitting in your eye line and on your lap instead, be cautious of your overhead light backlighting you as well, or the ceiling fan spinning out. These are all really distracting things. Oh, and sidebar, if you're using a phone, try to prop it up somewhere and avoid this handheld thing. We don't need Blair Witch Project action going on in here. Especially if you're creating content for your brand, invest in a simple tripod for your phone. I have links to recommendations in my blog below. Okay, now for audio. We all have mics built into our computers and phones, but there's one little thing you probably already have lying around at home, and that's one of these. Headphones with a mic. Depending on the room acoustics, this little mic will make a world of a difference to those on the receiving end. If you're creating content and don't want to have this thing dangling from your ear, there are many USB mic options that you can set up to go direct into your computer, and I'll provide links to those as well. The last tip, at the risk of sounding obvious, when you're on a conference call and not the one presenting, mute yourself. No one needs to hear you typing your notes, breathing heavily, and let's be honest, if you're marathoning Real Housewives in the background, simply hit the mute button until it's your turn to talk. So those are the 2 most important things I would say for video conferencing. If people can hear and see you properly, they will be far more engaged and less distracted. Well, unless your content is stale, and for that, I can't help you. Or I can help you, just not in this little video. I have another short follow-up video coming soon with more tips, so be sure to check it out. Stay safe, be well, and get creative. Love you guys. Bye.